Introducing Parisot Space-Up, the ultimate space-saving solution. While the previous design required a large room, the French company Parisot presents a more compact option that offers ample storage. Look closely at the bedsides, equipped with convenient shelves. These provide optimal space for books, skincare products, and more. But what sets the Space-Up model apart is its unique feature: the mattress tilts back, revealing a staggering 2.3 cubic meters of storage. With built-in drawers, you can even store large items like suitcases and sports equipment. Notably, the careful design includes a hinge mechanism, providing enough space for a person to enter when the bed is open. Space-Up combines 3 pieces of furniture into one bed, night table, and closet. Experience the perfect fusion of functionality and space efficiency. Innovative living solutions. Today's modern designers offer a plethora of options to furnish your living space. Among them, the Living Cube stands out, combining aesthetics and efficient space utilization. This multifunctional marvel boasts an appealing design, featuring various drawers and shelves where you can store books, music records, a player, a TV, and even clothing. At one end, you'll find a convenient ladder and a door for easy access. This compact room can serve as a storage area, or, thanks to its versatile design, be transformed into a dressing room or bathroom. Up top, the possibilities are endless: a cozy lounge area, a decorative display, or even a comfortable sleeping spot, as demonstrated in the captivating video. Explore the endless potential of the Living Cube. Introducing the Duo Sofa, an innovative furniture piece that will revolutionize your living space. Created by Resource Furniture, this sofa transformer seamlessly transitions from a stylish 2-seater sofa to a functional bunk bed. With its clever design, it appears as a regular sofa when folded, but hidden within is a hidden gem, a folding bed that emerges from what seems like a mere wall. Safety is a top priority, as the bed is thoughtfully equipped with soft edges to ensure a comfortable and secure sleep experience. On top of it all, the Duo Sofa features a convenient shelf, adding both practicality and elegance to your room. Welcome to Slumber Shelves, the ultimate guide to transforming your bedroom into a serene sanctuary. Are you tired of cluttered spaces and restless nights? Look no further. Our shelves offer the perfect solution for your sleep-deprived woes. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, Slumber Shelves combine elegance and functionality, providing a haven for your nighttime essentials. Imagine drifting off to sleep surrounded by carefully curated books, soothing aromatherapy candles, and a cozy reading nook within arm's reach. Our shelves come in a variety of styles and finishes, tailored to match your personal taste and bedroom decor. Say goodbye to disarray and hello to tranquility. Experience the magic of Slumber Shelves and awaken to a world of peaceful slumber and organized bliss. Upgrade your bedroom today and sleep like never before. Introducing the ingenious concept of smart living. At first glance, the furniture designed by Ozio exhibits similarities to what we've showcased before. However, this innovative design takes it a step further by optimizing space utilization. Ideal for homes with limited room for a dedicated dining area, Smart Living offers a creative solution. The TV section has been enhanced to serve dual purposes. Behind it, discreetly tucked away, are hooks with folding chairs, while the lower section conceals a sleek folding table. In a matter of seconds, the room undergoes a complete transformation, ready to welcome guests or host a delightful family dinner. The shelves also provide a spot for storing unique belongings that deserve a special place. Welcome to the Smart Kitchen, the ultimate hub where comfort and functionality meet. Here, the Italian experts at Philadelphia have crafted an extraordinary ensemble that redefines convenience. Every inch of this space is packed with countless advantages and innovative features. With just a click of a remote control, drawers and corners magically open, optimizing every nook and cranny. Cleaning becomes a breeze as the outer panels effortlessly detach. Behold the refrigerator drawers, seamlessly integrated beneath the sleek countertop. Say goodbye to wasting time, food can now be swiftly retrieved and stored away. These drawers even come with built-in dividers, simplifying the organization of kitchen appliances. Prepare to be amazed by the modern and technologically advanced design. This kitchen embraces wireless charging, ensuring your devices stay powered up conveniently. Introducing Beyond Boundaries, an exquisite collection of functional sculptures by the visionary Chilean designer and artist, Sebastian Arazuriz. Presented as the groundbreaking exhibition Breaking the Box in New York from January to March this year. These extraordinary pieces transcend mere furniture, blending artistry and utility seamlessly. Each seemingly decorative element conceals a hidden purpose, a cleverly disguised locker for storing small items. The giants among them, when folded, occupy minimal space while accommodating up to 10 drawers, making them perfect for narrow rooms where mobility is limited. These cabinets are ingeniously interconnected, opening with a graceful rotational movement. As a final marvel, behold the elegant construction that serves both as a decorative element and a practical shelf, embodying the harmonious fusion of aesthetics and functionality. Embark on a journey with us as we explore the extraordinary world of Beyond Boundaries, where art breaks free from convention and everyday objects transcend their ordinary roles. Introducing the innovative Ori Pocket Closet, a dream come true for every modern individual longing for their own dressing room. In the past, this dream often remained unfulfilled due to limited space, with bedrooms accommodating only a bed and a standard wardrobe. However, Ori Living has revolutionized the concept of furniture transformation. Their groundbreaking design, unveiled last November, makes it possible to create a dressing room in almost any standard bedroom. When folded, the Ori Pocket Closet occupies minimal space, featuring side shelves. One of these shelves is spacious enough to hold a large painting or a television set. The other shelf unfolds, transforming into a compact yet functional desk. With a simple press of a button, the closet gracefully expands, revealing shelves and cabinets to neatly store clothes and shoes. What's more, this remarkable design can be effortlessly operated through a mobile application, smart speaker, or manually. But wait, there's more. The Ori Pocket Closet can also double as a mini library or a storage room, making it an ideal space to store important documents in an office setting. With its ingenious versatility and space-saving capabilities, this transformative closet offers a myriad of possibilities, bringing us one step closer to realizing our dream dressing rooms. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.